Hey everyone. This section of the course is going to walk through and teach you how to identify and map stakeholders. So there's four key concepts that I want to cover in this section, and that is working through how you can identify stakeholders as part of a project. So it's a key principle to learn, and it's something that you definitely want to do very early on in your project, actually before you start gathering requirements, so that way you can ensure you have all the requirements necessary for your project. Along with that, I want to show you how to visually depict those stakeholders in a stakeholder map. So a stakeholder map is a very common visual model that's utilized, and by putting in that, you can quickly show executives or other people in the project who the stakeholders are and what categories they belong to. It's just much easier to read than a random Word document or Excel spreadsheet. The third thing I'm going to do is show you how to assign roles and responsibilities to those stakeholders, both for you as a business analyst as well as the rest of the project team. It's important for each person to know what their roles are and what their responsibilities are for each particular process and stage within that project. So I'll teach you how to do that and how to work through the steps that I've done within projects as a business analyst. And last but not least, in this section, we're going to talk about how you create a RACI matrix. And the RACI matrix also ultimately shows in a chart in an Excel spreadsheet what those roles are for the different stakeholders for the particular processes and stages as you work through the project.